Hello, my dear students of class 10. Today we will read and discuss the last part of the text, the Midnight Visitor. Right. So, in the last part, we saw how Wasable described the balcony to Max. Why did he describe? Why did he put stress on the balcony? That we will see today. Max bit his lip nervously. So Max was biting his lip nervously. Means he was becoming nervous and biting his lips. The knocking was repeated. Means someone was knocking at the door, and that was repeated. Again someone knocked at the door. What will you do now, Max? Then asked. What will you do now, Max? Wasable asked. So Wasable asked Max what he would do then. If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. Then Wasable was saying that if I do not answer, they will enter anyway. Anyway means either by hook or by crook. Means either by opening the door or by breaking the door. The door is unlocked. Why? The door is unlocked. The door is not locked. And they will not hesitate to shoot. And after entering here, if they find you, if they get you, if they see you, they will definitely shoot. Max's face was black with anger. Means kind of red with anger, here black with means very much angry, too much angry. As he backed swiftly towards the window. Backed means moved. Okay, moved or walked toward the window. He swung a leg over the sill. Means he put a leg over the window sill. There kind of window sill is there, and over that window sill he swung, and he kind of leapt, okay, or leaped, L-E-A-P-E-D, and put one of his leg over the sill. Send them away, he warned. Then Max was warning or giving warning to Wasable that, or to send them away. Them means the police. I will wait on the balcony. He said, I will wait on the balcony. Send them away or I will shoot. Send them away or I will shoot. And take my chances and take my chance. The knocking at the door became louder. Outside the door someone was knocking loudly, and a voice was raised. Mr. Wasable. Kind of someone said in a high pitch. How? Kind of Mr. Wasable, in this high pitched voice someone said, keeping his body twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. The man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. Now he was kind of trying to go into that balcony or on the balcony, and then he was twisting his body. Means he was kind of bending or distorted shape. You can see the picture. Means he was going there, but he was keeping the gun at his backside. Means at that fat man and the guest. And then he grasped. Means he caught hold of that frame with his free hand. Free hand means in one hand he was catching he has that pistol. Another hand was free, and with that free hand he caught hold of the frame to support himself. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. Then he swung his other leg. Means he put his other leg over the window sill. The doorknob turned. Doorknob means at the handle of the door that turned, that moved. Swiftly, Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill and dropped to the balcony. Swiftly means quickly. Max pushed with his left hand, means he pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill, means to just go down from that window sill, and he wanted to go to the balcony. And then as he dropped, he screamed once shrilly. He screamed, he shouted shrilly. Shrilly means in a harsh manner, okay, not in a comfortable manner. So why did he just scream, and that also in kind of harsh voice? You are getting that? He is jumping from windowsill to the balcony. Then why was he screaming once? So now the point is getting clearer, that is he actually going to the balcony or where? Is there actually any balcony or not? That is the point that I will not say right now, that I will say at last. That is written at last. That's why I will not say it. The door opened and a waiter stood there with a tray, a bottle and 2 glasses. The door opened and a waiter of a restaurant hotel stood there, standing there with a tray. Tray means kind of plate, kind of tray, a bottle, and on the tray a bottle of drink, cold drinks or drink, and 2 glasses. Here is the drink you ordered for when you returned. Here is the drink you ordered for when you came, he said, and set the tray on the table. And then he kept the tray on the table. Deftly uncorked the bottle. Deftly means in a skillful manner. So if you think that waiter is kind of police in disguise, then he couldn't have uncorked the bottle deftly. Deftly means skillful manner. This shows that that man was actually a waiter, and left the room. White faced, Fowler stared after him. White means he was startled, surprised, shocked. So Fowler kind of gazed, stared at him. Okay, but he stammered, means his voice was getting halted. Stammered means he wouldn't talk properly. The police, what happened to the police? There were no police. Okay, possible side. And deep breath. Only Henry, whom I was expecting. Means only Henry came, whom I was expecting. But won't that man out on the balcony? Fowler began. Means won't that man out in the balcony will not return? That Fowler asked to Ausable. Then what did Ausable reply? No, said Ausable. He won't return. No, he won't return. Means he will not return. You see, my young friend, there is no balcony. So there is no balcony. So that's why he will not return. So actually he jumped from the windowsill to the road, right? So he fell down, and no one knows what happened to that Max. That's all about the text, and now you have to think about it and talk about it. To talk and think means you have to write all these questions. That's all. Thank you very much.